Today we're going to address the issue of planing thinner stock. So what we've done, we've come up with a simple solution to plane thinner pieces of material. So what you're going to need is a backer board. What we have here is actually a 3/4 inch piece of MDF, your workpiece, some double stick tape, as well as a pair of calipers. So what we've done is taking a piece of MDF, cut it down to about the size of our workpiece, applied a couple or a few thin strips of double stick tape to act as our clamp or actually holding our piece down, and then we have a slight notch cut in our backer board or sacrificial sled here. So once we have all this set up, we're just going to go and peel back the tape. Then we'll want to actually apply our workpiece, and we want to keep it, relatively recessed back from this notch here. So we want to reveal a little bit of it there because we want to use that to place our calipers. So once the piece is attached, we use our calipers to actually measure our workpiece. And that way we don't have to actually remove the piece from the backer board or sled and have to ultimately deduct the thickness of the back piece. So we can continually run this through and keep checking our measurements again without deducting the thickness of our sled piece here.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Every week we're adding new tips and great woodworking videos. So hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.